From the comfort of our balcony and in good company, we could see both the local fireworks in Manly Cove and the main show in the background, nearer to the city and Sydney's Harbour Bridge. The main show, seen here, was delivered from 6 barges located along the harbour, both east and west of Sydney's Harbour Bridge. The coat hanger was the 7th launch site. While distant, the display from the city was still spectacular and provided a different perspective of the show, lighting up the night sky further from home. The Manly Cove fireworks were very much in our face, and the foreshore was lined with observers. It was a relatively uncrowded venue to watch the fireworks. It was good not to have to face Sydney's New Year's Eve traffic congestion and crowds. In the bright light of the finale, the Manly Wharf and ferry can be seen on the right-hand side, while the cove is dotted with pleasure craft and their passengers watching the show. Even the building was bending over to see the show.